Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding woman collection. Woman crochet cap designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you're enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of woman crochet cap design. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of cap design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet cap design, then I'll tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.